Surprise unlocked on Sunday. Their parents gave Farass a small wooden box. Inside was a silver medal engraved with "Kindness is power." "You did it," said their mother. "Not perfectly, but with real heart." Farass looked up touched. "Thank you." A lesson remembered, their father added. Being good isn't about never making mistakes. It's about learning, changing, and trying again, even when it's hard. Farass nodded. "So, I can still be me, but better." Brothers bonding that afternoon, the brothers played soccer outside, then made lemonade together. Farass didn't shove or yell. Instead, he passed the ball and shared a snack. "Now we're not just brothers, we're teammates," Firass said. A message from Farass at school assembly. Farass stood on stage and told the whole school about the challenge. "I used to be mean, but I learned something. People treat you how you treat them. And kindness feels amazing." A new beginning now. Each morning, Firass and Farass walked to school together, laughing, talking, and helping neighbors on the way. Farass still messes up sometimes, but now he owns it, learns, and keeps going. The town doesn't call him the bad boy anymore. They just call him Farass, the boy who changed.